Best Corporate Performance Management CPM Software in 2023 G2. Overview. Highest rated is to use free resource. Home Accounting Finance Software Corporate Performance Management CPM Software. Best Corporate Performance Management CPM Software. What is Corporate Performance Management CPM Software? Corporate Performance Management CPM software defines and manages the strategies that large companies need to monitor the performance of their business activities. CPM software is used to create and implement methodologies, methodologize, and process allowing corporations to track key performance indicators KPI relative to corporate business objectives. This type of software is implemented across the corporate and is show more. Top 10 corporate performance management CPM software. Unplanned SAP Analytics Cloud. Board Plan Full Music Tech Vina Link on Stream. Compare corporate performance management CPM software. Corporate performance management CPM software use certifications. Reporting as of use, budgeting, and extended planning are the top our factors that positively impact user satisfaction or for corporate performance management CPM products. These factors are determined by an algorithm that selects the attributes that are most likely to predict user certification within this category. Reporting 8.9 out of 10 on average, 8.6 out of 10 on average, but getting 8.8 out of 10 on average. Extended planning 8.6 out of 10 on average. G2 takes pride in showing unbiased review on user certification in our rating and reports. We do not allow paid placements in any of rating. Ranking of reports.